Welcome to Jitz University.
Here at Jitz University,
We strive to take you to the next level.
Learning at Jitz University is a breeze. Let us help you direct more traffic to your academy.
Let us help you build a tribe of loyal followers.
Let us help you thrive by skyrocketing your revenue.
if you give us a shot, we can help you see your academy in a new light.
You have your very own Jitz University experts literally at the click of a button. Spend tens of thousands of dollars in a classroom just like this, or you can streamline your success through Jitz University. Jitz University 2.0, you're gonna get access to our entire digital campus. Including our business department, marketing department, education department, and so much more. Included is our awesome Owners app. Instructors app. And a special online support group. Access Jitz University through your computer, iPad, or your phone. All you have to do is click the button below to become a Jitz University 2.0 student for a fraction of the cost of going to a university.